Please, I beg you. Go and bring back my jewelry box. Do you know how much it cost me to get those jewelries?
What did they happen? What did they happen? What jewelry? Did you see me stealing any jewelry? I beg you. I have never stolen in my life.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? How can you be stealing things in this house? Has there been any time you asked me for money and I didn't give to you?
I don't understand.
Do you know the value of those things you just stolen from this house?
What is even happening? What did they happen? Did you see me stealing anything? I have never stolen in my life. I don't like when people just gang up against me and just be accusing me for nothing now. I don't like it all.
I said shut up and don't talk to me like that. Don't you ever talk to me like that. Do you want me to throw you into prison for the rubbish action you have just displayed?
You say prison? What else you want to do me now? You have thrown me in the street. Take off your phone and call the commissioner of police. Call her now, may you tell her say criminal at your house. You hold her down, may they come carry me go prison. Eh? Call her now. That's the worst you can do. You have already wrecked my life. So what's more? You will not say anything now. You don't go talk.
I'm trying to make up for the mistakes that I made by making your life better. Now you are making me to regret every action.
Start from regretting that you created this monster. Regret creating this monster first. Wait, you say I like this life I live? You think it makes me happy to live like this? I beg you. What can I stop her more? What can I stop her more? Please. Allah wants to help you. Stop causing us pain. Go and bring back my jewelries, I beg you. Please, my brother. I beg, move your hand off my body. As in waiting now. Care. As in consign. I beg, don't let me change that for you. I don't come up for you, I beg, I'm gonna carry on a matter they go. Wait till they bring her down when they come now. Eh? Wait till happen.
Imagine them trying to fix something they ruined by themselves. They were expecting to see their daughter again, not knowing that their daughter died a long time ago on the streets.
No man is a waste unless dead. You should have let them help you.
No. You don't just ruin something, wake up one morning and decide to fix it. It doesn't work that way.
It is not wrong to mend a broken heart, my dear.
You talk as if you don't know that it is more difficult to fix things. Once they are ruined, it is hard. It is always easy to ruin it. That is the more reason why we should consider and think of positive ways to handle things, not just being ruthless.
So what happened after? Because I know that at some point you changed. So at what point did you start having a change of mind?
Well, I became a nightmare to my parents. I tormented them a lot. And one day, my father laid a curse on me. And that curse kind of saved my life.
Okay, so at what point did you find wealth? I mean, what comes about the success you're enjoying today?
Well, I'd say wealth found me because I didn't really do anything spectacular. I was just going about my normal business.
You see, one philosophy about life is that wealth don't come independently. You can make money with solo effort, but the story will still be incomplete if there's no individual involved.
You're right. Because that fateful day, someone called my attention and I nearly didn't look at her because of how she looked. She looked very rough and unkempt. So, but after that moment, my life changed.
Aha! Chief, good afternoon, sir. Good.
Return my money right away. I said return my money right now.
Me? How? I didn't take your money now. What are you talking about? Eh? Which one is I should return your money? Which money? Did you see me taking any money? I didn't take your money, oh.
If only I knew, I would have taken that money this morning. Because I know you will not have any left for me. And now let me let you know this. If you take my money, it will be useless.
Chief, no one they make me vex. I go change them for you. Did you see me stealing your money? Which kind of accusation be that one? Look, I did not collect your money. I'm not a thief. What are you trying to say? Don't get me angry. I cannot come and visit my father. I cannot go enter your room again. And now I'm not cast, Abby.
I know who will cause more damage. But let me assure you, if you take my money is going to be useless to you. Yes, I mean my hard-earned money. You will see my money. You will feel it. You will touch it. But it will be useless to you until you turn a new leaf.
That is if I took your money now. That is what you are saying now will happen if I took your money. I did not take your money. So it's not going to happen.
This world is a sweet place. If only me and you we can love each other. If only we can love each other. This world we contain all of us. If only we can
My baby, I don't hear.
love each other.
Afana, you don't ready?
I don't ready.
Yeah, I just carry my bag now. Wow!
Huh? What's happened?
What's happened? The money? The bag soft. The money? The money? What's happened to the money? Eh? See the bag now, nothing there inside, everything empty. Eh? How far?
No, now. I didn't up now, nobody enter this place. So how the money contact miss?
My papa run now. My papa now run now. You know say, I don't they suspected this man a ritualist, but hi!
But why you talk like that?
You see when I collect this money, I move the money, I won't come out. My papa block me. He tell me say make I go drop the money, because I don't hold your money. He tell me say that money, I go see him, I go touch him, but I don't go spend them.
You say?
And they tell you now, wait till the man talk. You know, I have been thinking, I have been suspecting that this man is a ritualist, but you see this matter now, I don't clear everything.
That man a wish.
But I tell you before. I don't hear you this thing before. I tell you that man say I don't trust him.
No, but the money don't go. Everything don't go. You don't just leave change. Save. Eh?
This life is not fair to me. I am suffering. Temptation, they make people fall. Afufa, go promise you. Temptation, they make people fall. My condition.
Why water?
Water! Temptation, they make people fall. This is life.
Was that cool, sir?
It's not very cold because of the sun.
No, man.
But
You know when they speak English like this.
It's manageable.
You cold, I mean no cool.
It's manageable.
Now hot water you they say.
Because of
It's mild.
Flying things so. Flying things. Wait. What thing I want to teach these boys again? Eh? Small mission why I send them, they don't fit deliver. What thing they want to learn again?
Wahab, calm down now. Eh? Your blood today hot. They go learn. But if you ask me, I go say this one is stealing, I go need to stop them.
What thing they yarn with your mouth, sir? Which apata you they yarn with this your mouth? Eh? You know say money no day. If you know they do street, how want it they see money? Even pastors where they carry Bible, no be money that they find.
Oh, not true. Sure, consign me. I'll call my mom tonight. By tomorrow, they'll be out of the house.
My baby. This is why I like you. Okay, with that money, when you collect for your father's safe, bring her first. Make her know what, make her they do okay first, make her they happy.
Wait, oh. I don't remember where I keep that money.
You say? Wait, my baby, wait, calm down.
Wait. I don't lost the money again.
Wait. The 1 million you tell me say they carry they come here. Now you tell me say you don't know where you keep them again.
I don't lose this money again. What did happen now? Mo go find the money.
You say wait.
I know where I enter. Mo just go.
I no go fit come out for this place. You know say I no go fit come out here. Eh? You want make these people catch me? Security all of them they roam around. Police people everywhere they look for me. And you want make I come out for this place?
Hey God, how we go do now? This man. I think I don't tire. How we go do?
I'm not being another strategy, because I don't fit just dey like this for here. What thing I go do?
I go show them.
Tochi, you're so early.
Frank.
Sit down. Yeah. Jesus. Tochi, where you see this kind of money now?
It's a long story. So one rough-looking girl, she came to me to buy water. I was trying to sell water to her, and one guy just came from nowhere, told her something, and took her away. She forgot the money with me.
Hi, thank you, Jesus. God of provider. Let me say we don't make a move.
Excuse me?
We don't make a now. You see the money?
No. I have to return the money.
What do you mean?
I have to return this money.
Why? Tochi? No, why? Me and you dey here since the suffer. Now you see this kind of money, you want to return and you dey crazy?
Frank, I have never stolen anybody's thing all my life. I can't start now.
Tochi, listen. You never stole somebody's thing before. I agree. Let me store this money on your behalf. As a matter of fact, let the scene do on my head. You don't understand? See money now. Hey! Even dollar.
I just saw the dollar now.
You know what? Tochi, don't worry. Give me the money.
Eh?
Let me use that start business.
Give you which money?
Give me the money now.
No, now stop now. I can't give you this money.
Why not give me the money? Let me say
Stop,
the money.
stop it now.
Tochi, you name my house.
I have to return this money now.
You name my house.
I don't want every
I will
trouble.
start collecting rent from you. You name my house.
What do you mean by that?
Small man. Stop it. You not give me this money now.
Stop it now.
What's the problem? No. Say no, you don't want the money.
Listen, I have to return it.
Why you return them? You don't need the money. If you don't need that, give me. I beg you.
What's up with you now? What did happen now?
I think... Hey, I was the guy who sold water to you the other day. You left your bag and your money.
Come back to the bag now. You didn't talk. I lost this bag.
Yes, you forgot it with me.
Huh?
I had to return your money.
Ha! For this era, they dey return money. Even madman say pick money, no wetin be money. So, wetin make you return am?
Peace of mind, sense of pride, my integrity, all of that.
Ha!
I have to go now.
Hey, wait. So, like this now, wetin you can't gain say you return the money? Now you good pass. I don't understand.
Don't lose your money next time. Take care.
I need to talk with you. Better sit down. Sit down now.
What's your uncle?
Just a business idea where my friend Carrie can give me. And he said we'll be needing like 100,000 for a start.
Business idea?
Yeah.
100,000 to start the business?
Just more money for a start.
So Frank, where do you expect to get that type of money from?
I don't understand. What about the money you brought home the other day? I understand we fought over it. You understand? But at the end of the day, I decided to let you have the money. So from that money, you can bring 100,000. Let's use it and start first. You don't understand?
Frank, you're still thinking about that money? I've returned it to the owner.
Huh? No, you are joking.
No, I'm not joking. I'm just coming from where I returned the money.
This guy, why didn't I know from the very first day I saw you that you are very stupid? No, man, Basi, you want sense. You don't have common sense. How you going to return the money now? Eh? What did you bring all those ones now?
Frank, I don't understand. I've never stolen anybody's money before. I will not take what does not belong to me.
Money where God will send from above to change our life. Eh? Now you just stupidly return back to the owner. What did they bring those ones now?
I'm sorry, I can't take anything that doesn't belong to me. I've never done it before.
Don't you day street, let me remind you. You day street. You understand? So I won't come make them for street if you know if you use street wise. If you don't use your brain, I won't take make them. Eh? Okay, no problem. So waiting the person give you as an appreciation of returning back the money. At least I sure say the person must find you something. Waiting give you.
Nothing. No. She didn't give me anything. Besides, I wasn't expecting anything from her, so...
Oh boy, you're mad. No, true, Tochi, you're crazy. I even regret why I even allow you to come to my house at the first place. Which kind of human being you be now? Eh? No, which kind of person you be?
I don't give I've given her back her money. I don't give her back the money.
No, for this life, you know, if you make a no gas, she be.
See the owner of the money.
Your friend invests in you return the money.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. He's hungry.
Now here you stay.
Yeah.
So, why did you come let you return the money?
Honestly, I have no idea. I'm not sure why I did.
Now, wow. Wonderful.
What's wrong? Why are you surprised?
I don't understand. This thing will happen between me and you. It confused me. Like, this thing just the way one kind part of me why I feel say it don't die. You understand? Like this kindness. Why you go do this kind thing? Why? You there for streets. You can't return money. I don't understand.
Honestly, I'm short of words. I don't know why I returned the money. Maybe because it's not a part of me to steal other people's things. Besides, it's a bad time for me now, but I thought it was the right thing to return the money. Yeah.
So person go there for streets, still be better person. That kind of thing they happen.
Well, I strongly believe that you can be on the streets and not act like the people on the streets.
Hey, I don't know now. I don't know say it possible say you go there streets, can't still be better person on top. I don't know now. Me I don't dey fucked up. I dey messed up. Me I won't begin from.
But you don't know that. It's not in your power to say you are fucked up or messed up. You're not God.
You don't go understand. You don't go understand the kind of life why they live. I don't hurt so many people. I don't even know where I won't begin from. Up no day, oh. Up no day.
Well, I strongly believe there's always a second chance. Besides, you can change your bad ways, understand that there's good and evil, know the difference, and change.
That was how all my friends were arrested, including Wahab. I was alone, and Tochi came along. He was a good friend, and every day he visited me. He told me stories that inspired and made me want to become better.
He really impacted on your life.
Oh, he did. He was God sent. He changed my pattern of life. He even took me to rehab, took care of me, stayed with me until I recovered.
He was indeed an angel.
Oh yes, he was more than an angel to me. He made me go back to the Chierica that left home that day. Even my parents were surprised about my change.
You mean they didn't know him until you were fully recovered?
No. But when I was fully recovered, Tochi insisted that we go back to my parents and apologize to them. and ask them for their blessing.
Wow, that's a good idea.
That was exactly how I helped her become a better person. I literally, showed her the path to becoming a responsible woman. And one thing led to another. We became friends and we started dating.
Oh, I see. So why did you think it was a good idea to date her?
It's pretty much complicated. It's a long story.
But it looks like she was ready before you decided to date her.
Yeah, something like that. I mean, she's beautiful and very attractive.
Were you in any way sexually attracted to her?
I mean, who wouldn't be? I was, but then she pushed me into all of that. I mean, she...
Don't say that. How can you say a woman pushed you into... I mean, a woman cannot push you into having a relationship with her. It's either you start a relationship because of love, sex, or other material things.
You're right, but you need to hear this. When I realized she had changed, I thought it was right to tell her. In fact, I told her to go and apologize to her parents for everything she had done. I was surprised when she said she wanted me to go with her. And trust me, when I did, it became the turning point of my life and that of my friend Frank.
I wandered off like a sheep that left its flock. Even though I know I was headed for destruction, the anger in my heart wouldn't let me look back. Mom, Dad, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am sorry.
Chirika, I've forgiven you long before now.
My daughter, I have forgiven you too. Please, stand up. Stand up. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. I don't know what came over me, sincerely. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
It's okay.
Sir, please, I also apologize for everything she has done. I know that she drifted away and crossed boundaries. But I can attest to the fact that she's a changed person. So if not for anything, for that alone, kindly accept her back as your daughter. I apologize on her behalf once again. Thank you.
Young man.
Sir.
Who are you?
My name is Tochi. I live in this town.
What about your parents?
My parents passed on a long time ago.
It's okay. It's okay. From what you have displayed to us this evening, we might as well make you part of his family. Yes. You'll be our son if you wish. And if there's anything you want sorted out, if there's any reason you are looking for a place to call your own, come on, this is your home.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I prayed for this day. I prayed for this day. And when I saw you changing your way of life, I practically knew that.
Yeah, that's fine. Just make it like 4
Yeah.
each. Last one.
This for
Yeah, last one. Get ready to cry. Like seriously, get ready to cry.
that's really now.
I told you to get ready to cry.
Pick 2.
Yeah.
Wait, it's a minimum pick 3 now.
Pick 2.
What happened?
Then last card.
J.
Oh no! I almost won you.
Hey.
Okay. One more. Okay. Your turn to play.
Babe, what is it? You look very excited. What's the good news?
Guess what?
Oh, come on, Rika. You know I'm not good at guessing. Just tell me. Go straight to the point and tell me.
Okay. Well, I told Dad about us.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
What did you tell him?
I told him that we're together. I told him about our relationship.
Ah, is that so? Oh, no wonder your mother called me and asked me to write down the things I need. But you shouldn't have told them.
Don't worry. You need to see what awaits you. Relax. That reminds me. Dad said you should come see him this weekend.
He did?
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Thank you so much. You know your God sent to me, right?
Well, you are God sent to me too.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. So you went to tell your mom?
Mm-hmm.
You went to tell your dad?
Well, I wanted to send my daughter abroad to meet her brother out there. But she told me she's planning to get married.
She said that?
I didn't want to be part of the plan, but along the line I decided to go along with it, especially with your kind of person. I see you like a go-getter. And with that kind of uniqueness, I think you make a good husband to my daughter.
Yes. And I saw the way they are budding already.
I am giving you a job as a sectional manager in my company.
Sir?
And the job comes with a car and a house. And some other allowances apart from your basic salary.
So you're giving me a job and a house?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this, sir. This means so much to me. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Sit.
Oh God, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
I'm now a better person. You have changed man, change man. You have turned me around. Oh, man, change man.
Rika. You brought me fulfillment. And I want to say thank you.
And you, on the other hand, brought me out of the dust. You know, at some point I felt like my life was condemned. But then you came along and added colors and value to my life. Thank you.
No, I should say thank you.
I should say thank you. Oh no, I should say thank God for bringing you my way.
That's right. So your father said you mentioned to him that we are getting married. Is that true?
Yes. I had to. I mean, if I didn't do that, there's no way he would have done all he did for you. Or don't you like it?
No, it's okay. I mean, I like it. It's all right. But I am of the opinion that we get to know ourselves better before we talk about marriage, because sometimes you might, dislike people if you don't know them well.
No. I mean, what is there not to like about you? Why don't you let me worry about that? Alright? What is there not to like about you? Your hands are so soft.
Are they?
Auntie.
Yes, Dad.
My friend's ringing.
Oh, Dad.
I heard you now, Onika.
Yes, I own a car now. God has remembered me.
Very good. So I'm going to go get myself dressed so you take me out.
He is going to take me out first.
No, me. If you don't take me out, we'll no longer be friends anymore.
Okay, so I intend to go to the village. When I return, I promise to take you out.
You take me out. Me.
Both of you.
Alright, fair enough. I'll be back.
Alright.
She's so lovely.
That was the mistake you and your family made. In fact, you were the one that pushed them into that mistake. And it was also obvious you were the one that forced to save on the young man.
No. He told me that he loves me.
He may have loved you as a friend, but it takes an extra leap for a man to start seeing you as his future wife.
It wasn't just words. It was his actions. He showed me so much love that no one has ever showed me in my entire life.
Look, it's not just only that you forced the marriage on this young man. You also presented it with things that he couldn't resist.
Are you saying he accepted to marry me because of the wealth he was seeing in front of him?
Well, yeah. If not for the job, the house, the cars, honestly, I would have told her father that I never discussed anything pertaining marriage with his daughter. You needed to see how much I needed these things. I was desperate to have them.
I mean, why didn't you tell her you're in love with someone else? Why did you tell her you love her when you know you don't? I mean, she wouldn't have assumed you do if you hadn't given her any reason to.
The truth is, I wanted her to stop her old ways. I wanted her to live a good life. I wanted to give her something to believe in. I needed her to change. At some point, I wanted to settle with her. Honestly speaking, I wanted to settle with her until I began to hear stories about her past and how she lived her life. And I got discouraged.
Okay, as it is now, have you made it clear to her that you're no longer going to marry her?
No, I haven't. After, getting the job, the car, the house, I went to the village and I realized a strong reason why I shouldn't let all of these material things go away.
Tojuku,
Uncle?
is this you?
Yes, it's me.
And the car? Whose car is this?
It's one of my cars.
One of your cars.
Yeah.
How did you get this kind of car? Eh? This very expensive car. How? Eh? It's barely 2 years that you left here and you come back with this kind of big car. I hope you have not gone to go and do money rituals. Oh.
Uncle, it's a long story. I came to inform you that God has remembered me. Yeah.
You see, I have always known that you are going to be a very useless, a very useful boy. Eh? It's just that it's so sudden. Eh? Big car like this, and I don't understand.
Uncle, I was told you sold your compound.
Oh, this one? Yes, I did. In fact, I actually came to pack my remaining belongings because I hear the person that bought the place wants to bring the place down and build his own mansion. Oh, yes.
That's good. So when are you leaving?
Actually, I was almost on my way before you drove in.
Okay. Uncle, I actually I bought the house.
You said what?
I said I paid for your compound.
You paid for my compound?
Yes.
How am I supposed to believe that? You are not the one that I collected money from now. So how?
I sent someone to do that on my behalf.
You what?
Yeah.
You sent somebody to pay me? Eh? Hey! Tochukwu. Hey!
Give me a second, I'll be right back.
Wicked people, they are doing in vain. When hand of God come upon your life, it will favor you. Nobody is God at all.
Uncle, here's some money. I'm sure you would be needing some money to get a taxi to where you're going, so some money.
Tochukwu, are you sure you want me to take this money?
Sure, it's yours.
Here
you go, take it. Uncle?
Tochukwu.
This is more or less like a confirmation that God can decide to bless anyone.
Guys, you're right.
And there's no condition permanent. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Wicked people, they are doing in vain. When hand of God come upon your life, it will favor you. Nobody is God at all. God's word is final. Man change man, he changing come on. You're my good friend. Man change man, I'm now a better person. You are a good friend. Man change man, you have turned me around. Oh, man change man, I'm now a better person. Now a better person. Man change man, yo. He changing come on. He changing come on. Man change man.
Tochi.
Yeah.
You are now a big boy. You have totally changed. I don't think we are on the same level now. I know I will be nothing to you because you have upgraded.
You don't have to say that. I mean, whatever belongs to me also belongs to you. Right? What's mine is yours.
That was then. Oh. I'm not sure of it now. Are you telling me that those city girls will leave you for me? How is that even possible? I know that the kind of girls you mingle with now will be very classy. Girls that knows what's up. Yeah, you're telling me this one. The truth is that I don't have strength to compete with anybody.
I won't let that happen. You were there for me when I had nothing. So trust me when I say that you're not in competition with anybody. Alright?
You know, Tochi, truth is that I have never loved anyone the way I love you. I love you so much. But at this point, my mental health is at stake, and I don't want anything that will give me sleepless nights. I'm not ready for it.
Give me your hand. Let this serve as an assurance that we're going to be together forever.
I don't understand.
Mama,
No.
your daughter and I, we have agreed, we have decided to be together.
Be together.
Yes, we have decided to marry each other.
You know, is it true?
Yes.
My son, I am happy to hear this. I am very, very happy. But what I want to hear is the date. The date you will come with your people for a proper introduction. Could be man.
Mama, you're right. But I have a business trip to make. Yes, I'll be away for 1 month and 3 weeks. Once I come back, I'll come with my people and do the marriage rites, I promise.
You have known each other for a very long time now. So I am very happy you're making this decision now. Oh?
Thank you very much.
I'm happy for you.
Yes.
You're not saying anything.
Mama, you know I love Tochi so much. But like you said, he should take a step further.
Yes.
Right. Mama, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate your kind words.
My mother was surprised about your sudden change.
I mean, is that not what we have always prayed for?
Yes, you are right. But the success is too sudden. I mean, in just a year that you left the village, you bought a car, built a house, transformed into a wealthy man. And from the look of things, I don't see you as one who can be faithful to me. We are no more on the same level. So I think it would be best if you stay away from me.
Why should I do that? Why should I stay away from you? I mean, what about everything we shared? Do you want me to throw that away? I can't do that.
But you already threw them away. Yes, for a year, You stopped communicating me. No chats, no calls, nothing. And I'm sure it's because of a girl. Yes.
You're wrong. You're totally wrong. My actions were not intentional. I had to work hard. I had to focus on my goals, my dreams to ensure that I wipe tears off your eyes. And now that I am back, you should be happy.
It's a sweet place. If only me and you are, we could love each other. If only we could love each other.
You mean you engaged Kineka and you still would not tell Cherika your stand in the relationship with her?
I was afraid. I was afraid of the unknown. Besides, I didn't want to lose the job.
I've been listening to you all this while. Don't you, why didn't I like your friend? If you cannot tell me a sensitive issue like this, huh? This issue is something that both of us would have put heads together and solve it once and for all.
A thought came into my mind. Something I have never thought of all my life.
That is the point I want to hear. What did you do?
My lips are heavy. You wouldn't like to hear this.
If you know how much your life is dependent on this, you wouldn't hold back for a minute.
Tochi, it is foolishness for one to hide something that is capable of taking his life. Listen, whatever it is that you are hiding, I believe must have been the reason why you are acting like someone who is being haunted. So you better speak.
But I didn't kill her. I wonder why her sister died. She's here.
Hey! You killed me, so you must confess.
Tochi. Oh, she's here. She's here now. What are you saying?
Listen, I didn't kill you.
Confess!
Why are you tormenting my life? I didn't kill you.
Confess! 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 You wanted to kill me! You killed my sister!
Amanda appeared to me and told me she ate the chicken and it killed her.
Yes, I can remember. You came back that day asking for the chicken you left in the kitchen.
I'm sorry, sir. Please, I didn't know.
You're the girl that you always come here to.
No, I didn't want to.
Leave her alone! Leave her alone!